Hello and welcome to Unicorn Excess, a brand new channel that aims to educate and inspire people on their journeys to creating their own businesses. My name is James, and in this video I want to talk you through what Unicorn Excess is and how we aim to help you on your business ventures. To do that, let's start at the beginning, in the dark, unforgiving void that we all know as 2020. The coronavirus pandemic has hit the world hard and drastically changed the way that we all live. It's caused economies to crash, and the unemployment rate in the UK is reaching record heights. Redundancies are all too familiar now, and job vacancies are few and far between. So because of this, a lot of people have been searching for innovative ways to generate an income, with some even deciding to start their own businesses. In fact, there were over 800,000 company incorporations in the UK between March 2020 and March 2021, which is an increase of 21.8% from the previous year and is the highest number of incorporations on record. This is where we come in. Here at Unicorn Excess, we've been researching into the ways that people can incorporate their own companies in the UK. Starting your own business sounds like an overwhelming prospect, but here at Unicorn Excess, we want to celebrate the act of kindness in business and be a helping hand that you can rely on to turn your business ideas into fully incorporated realities. A lot of people have great business ideas but will give up on them before they even begin, whether it's down to confusion about where to start, the processes involved, or any number of reasons. So here at Unicorn Excess, we want to inspire you to start your own business, guide you from incorporation to success, and celebrate your entrepreneurism every step of the way on your new business venture. If you've ever considered starting up your own business, or you just simply want to see how it all works, we plan to take you through the process and help simplify it for you. So what can you expect from us? We will be releasing tutorial videos that provide streamlined, step-by-step information for you to follow, explaining how to approach the different tasks that you will need to complete to set up your business. We also have the Unicorn Excess app, designed to help you register your new limited company and get through the initial incorporation process with ease so you can focus on the business whilst we handle everything else for you. We will also be going more in depth on all the different aspects of creating, maintaining, and profiting from your business. Any questions you have on setting up a UK business, we aim to answer, and we really do want to help simplify the business world for all of you. So we would love for as many of you as possible to join us on this brand new journey and keep us updated with your business stories. Sound good? Then feel free to come and join us on this journey by hitting that subscribe button and joining our channel. We plan to release a new video every week, all with the aim of getting you and your business ideas ready for the world. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we look forward to embarking on this brand new journey with you all.